To use default ringtone when using AR video as your call background on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to disable use video sound as ringtone option within the call background menu. To do so, open Phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap call background, tap the call background thumbnail, and then tap the green on off switch next to use video sound as ringtone until the switch turns gray to turn it off. To save your selection, tap set as call background. By doing this, when you receive calls, the featured AR video will be sound as the call background and your phone will play the default ringtone instead of the video sound as ringtone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.